fat burning is crucial not because it directly causes weight loss, but because it signifies that your body is metabolically flexible. Welcome to the Fabulous Body Mind podcast. I am Jane Chiu, a health coach dedicated to helping you understand your body and balance your glucose levels to feel fantastic. In today's episode, we are exploring the link between glucose levels and weight loss. Let's dive in. My primary goal is to help you understand and stabilize your glucose levels for overall health. This means having well-functioning organs, energetic cells, a clear mind, reduced craving, and long-term health protection. But I often get asked if my method will also lead to weight loss. The answer is likely yes, and here is why. The technique I teach help you stabilize your glucose levels and lose fat, keeping your blood sugar steady. When this happens, several beneficial things occur. First, your cravings diminish. When you avoid glucose spikes and the subsequent dips, you prevent the activation of the craving centers in your brain that drive you to seek out sugary or high-carb snacks. Second, steady glucose levels reduce your hunger. Eating protein-rich meals in the morning helps regulate your hunger hormones, ghrelin, and leptin, making you feel fuller for longer and less likely to overreact or snack frequently. Third, stabilizing your glucose levels lowers the amount of insulin your body produces. Insulin is essential for managing excess glucose, but high insulin levels inhibit fat burning. When insulin levels are lower, your body can switch to burning fat for fuel, enhancing metabolic flexibility. Being able to burn fat for fuel is crucial, not because it directly leads to weight loss, but because it indicates that your body can efficiently switch between burning glucose from recent meals and burning stored fat. This metabolic flexibility is vital for maintaining energy levels and reducing dependence on frequent meals or snacks. People who aren't metabolically flexible often experience frequent hunger and low blood sugar episodes, leading to shakiness and nausea if they miss a meal. By stabilizing glucose levels and reducing insulin, you enhance your body's ability to burn fat and improve overall well-being. Combining reduced craving, decreased hunger, and increased fat burning often results in weight loss. But this weight loss is a byproduct of the broader health benefits of stabilizing your glucose levels. Many of my readers have tried various diets only to regain weight and feel miserable. Extreme diets and cutting out entire food groups are not sustainable and can harm your health. Instead, focusing on stabilizing glucose levels builds a healthy foundation without restrictive measures. Diet culture often demands extreme and unsustainable actions. My methods are designed to be easy and adaptable without requiring calorie counting or food group elimination. It's about understanding your food and making simple adjustments. For example, start your meals with protein and vegetables. Enjoy sweets as dessert rather than a snack, and take a walk after meals. These hacks are sustainable habits that enhance your health without depriving you of food you love. Our approach is not a diet, but a set of principles to follow whenever possible. Missing a hack occasionally is fine. The goal is consistency over perfection. Incorporating these principles into your life to support your body's health. If weight loss is your goal, restrictive diets are not the answer. Stabilizing glucose levels through easy science-backed hacks can naturally lead to fat loss as part of broader health improvement. Check out our book, Fat to Fit, Not a Fad: Fat Loss Secrets That Help You Reverse Type 2 Diabetes. This book is co-written by Dr. Ngo, a medical advisor, myself as a health coach, and Maggie, our dietitian. We incorporated all the important lifestyle changes required to help you on your fat loss journey. Links are in the description. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time. Remember to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends as well. See you next round. Bye.